This is the huge box that my new monitor came in. Link below for the this one is remanufactured, which is normally better because they know what parts went bad, so they put in better parts, or they don't at all. My first time having a non-160 hertz monitor. This came from Amazon, a gift from you. Sometimes when you buy used or remanned, they come in better than when they're new. That's what I'm hoping here. Huge. It's pretty heavy, I must say. I put these boxes out of the way so I can finish this video. Don't know if I can really get it up close. I'm gonna have to hold the tripod up a little bit for you guys. Hopefully it comes in a little bit. 160 hertz. 160 hertz. 1 millisecond blur. It's an LG. Has G-Sync, and it says it works with Raiden graphics. 3 side-by-side borderless designs. Yeah, that don't really bug me. The back of it has great shelf appeal. If you're going, well, kinda. Doesn't really show you what it is. The end is just a barcode. Tells you a little bit about it. G-Sync, which is what I need, if it even does anything. Most of this stuff is just advertisement. HDR, full 1080p. It's not 1044, which is fine. It's what I need it for. I'd rather have the 4K 165 hertz that just came out, but it's expensive. Multiple inputs. Okay, I'm tired of lifting around the box. Let's open this thing. I think there's a brick in there. It weighs so much. This did come in a day late too, so don't get too excited if you order on Amazon. I do like the new ones that are coming out that are powered by a USB-C cable. Ooh, that's very strong, and that's a metal. I'm not going to use this. I have a stand, but I'll still show you guys how sexy it looks. Nice red. That's super tight. It's got a clip if you want to put it together super quick, or if you need a screwdriver. It's got anti-slip feet. Comes with 2 screws, probably to wall mount it. The power brick, which is massive. Hi there. You know you bought it used. It's basically new. A display port, not HDMI cable, a display port, which is the newer display port, because they got to make up a new port every single 2 years. A CD and no case. That's just how it comes. Oh, what's these? I think them are plastic. I don't know what I'm looking at there. Oh, this is the hinge that goes on the back. Yeah, that's the hinge. Goes onto the back. That goes down in there like that for good looks. And then that would be the cap. Yeah, you guys can figure out that part. Okay. Oh, this thing is massive. Massive. Whew. Can't even lift it out of there. Let's see if I can get the tripod up just a little bit higher for you guys. I'm not one of them that just cuts to the next scene. rather just show you all that goes into it. I'm going to have to lift it up by the material. There is no border around the edge. That is nice. That is big. Yeah, there is no, you guys can't even see it. No border around the right side. Left side. Yeah, there's no lip. Just catch your fingers right on that. That's beautiful. There is a lip at the bottom. It says G-Sync. There's a little button at the bottom like most TVs have. That right there would be the port that other piece goes into. I like how strong of metal it is. It's the type of metal, once it breaks pretty quick. But that's still pretty nice. This is supposed to pivot. Or it was the smaller one that pivots. I don't know. You can see in the description below. I love the red. It'd be cool if it lights up. I don't know if it does or not. Has a display port, 2 HDMI ports, audio out, and the power source. Man, this sucker is heavy. There's your big plate for mounting. It's plastic, even though it looks metal. This unit has been refurbished. The date on it is, they covered up the date. It's a 32-inch. That's about all they'll let you see. Yeah, and that is the unboxing. Don't think I really got to do a setup video, but I will show you guys what is in the menu, if it has crosshair and stuff like that. Thanks for watching.